Oh my God. Wow.
Mmm. Oh, it's so good.
They are very good, yeah. Only for Easter time.
Oh my God, it's thick. Wow. Wow. Oh God.
So this is what the fudge looks like here. See that? Hi. You have fudge? I have to get a piece of fudge. Now, if you follow me, you remember in Melbourne, I was looking for fudge and they didn't have it at the chocolate factory, but they do have it here at Rocky Mountain Chocolate.
I'd like some fudge. Ooh, hi. Oh, look at these eggs. I don't know. Do you have fudge?
Fudge, like chocolate covered fudge, we do. We have like a pistachio fudge down with the...
No, that doesn't look like fudge.
This is good, thank you. That's a lot. That's a lot.
2 pecans?
Yeah. Can I cut it in half or is that how it comes? That's fine, I'll share it with my kids. Does it have the price?
$17.69.
How much?
$17.69.
17.
Want me to slice it?
Yeah, I think so. That's a lot for a piece of chocolate. $17. Yeah, it's kind of a lot. I just want to taste. Been in Australia for 2 months and they had no fudge. No, they had amazing chocolate, but they didn't have fudge. Not like this. It's not this. So it's just different. But they give you samples of like this Easter egg and the chocolate's literally that thick. Like your sample, it's like a big piece. It's so good.
Maybe I can try this praline truffle and a dark, well, I don't like dark chocolate. Do you have a raspberry truffle that's not dark chocolate?
Milk raspberry cream on the side. So there's the mixed berry, or below it is milk raspberry cream.
I don't like dark chocolate as much. Yeah, I'll try the mixed. Do you want one? You don't have fudge though. It's like a, they don't have fudge.
Maybe not the traditional.
Yeah, they don't make the fudge, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine, I'll try.
Okay, so mixed berry and the praline.
I only have 2 pieces. Mike, do you want, oh, how about the lemon, the white lemon truffle? Yeah. Why don't you try one, honey? They have a wafer bar, so that must be like a Kit Kat type of thing up there. Can you try anything? Can you try any of that? This is called, can you say the name of this place?
Haig's.
Haig's.
Yeah.
I believe somebody told me to look for Haig's. All right.
Yeah, it's all made in Australia. So
Do you have
can't get it.
samples?
Yeah, I do.
I'd like a sample. I've never been here. I'm a tourist.
I've got milk chocolate Easter egg or plain dark chocolate.
Not dark chocolate. Milk chocolate, yeah. Sorry. It's an Easter egg.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Mmm. Oh, it's so good.
They are very good, yeah. Only for Easter time.
Oh my God, it's thick. Wow. Wow. Oh gosh.
Thank you.
Is it like your receipt today?
No, I don't need a receipt.
Perfect. Great.
I just need a piece of chocolate. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Okay, I got chocolate. I got myself some Rocky Mountain chocolate. Yes, okay, let's have a bite. Okay, I'm gonna try my piece of fudge. Now, this is the fudge that I was looking for when I was in Melbourne, and I could not find it, so I just think it's a little bit different probably here for us. So let's look at it and let's have a bite. So this is what the fudge looks like here. See that? That is the Rocky Road fudge. All right, let's take a little bite. Let's take a little bite. It doesn't look too appealing, actually. It doesn't look too appealing, but we're gonna taste it. Mmm. Oh my God. Wow. Well, that's good. Mmm. That is really good. This is Rocky Road fudge from Rocky Mountain Chocolate. No more for me. I'm gonna save it for my kids.
Mmm. good.
They are very popular, yeah. Only for Easter time.
Oh my God, it's thick. Wow. Wow.
So it's
Oh God. Mm. Oh wow. Oh my God. This is the thickest. This is the thickest chocolate sample ever. Usually it's pretty thin, but look at how thick that is. Yeah, it's really good. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, this is so good. Sorry. What do we got? That's what we got.
So it comes to
Oh, let me see the money.
$18.91.
$18.91.
That looks, it's so, oh, there's Queen Elizabeth. Look at her. Healthy?
Medium bag.
Thank you. That is really good.
Do you like chocolate?